So we're going to make this interesting shape that you see here. And I think the way I like to do it is to make a block that is, let's see, from here all the way to the end of it to over here. That's going to be 2.25. So I think I want to make it 2.25 by 2.25 and then by 1.5 thick, because that would be this distance here. And then we're going to cut away all the pieces that we want to get rid of. So let's start with that. Start with a sketch. Make a rectangle that is 2.25 by 2.25. Finish it. Extrude it out just 1.5. And now we're going to cut some pieces away. So let's look at this thing again. Let's see. Let's get a good view of it. Alright, so I'm thinking I'm going to cut away this right in here, all the way back. So I'm going to build a rectangle and go all the way through it. So I'm going to start on this side. Put a new sketch on it. I'm going to make a rectangle that is down in here. It's 0.75 wide by 1.5 tall. Now that's interesting. It's green, so I might not have latched onto this corner. So let me go back. I don't want to end if it's not blue. I'm going to try again. Let's see what happens here. I must have missed this corner. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. 0.75. That's better. It's blue. I like it better. Now we're going to extrude that all the way back. So the other direction, and not just part of the way back, but all 2.25. There's that. Now let's go back and look at what our goal is. So I have, that's us, so we're going to go here. I just cut away this section down here. In fact, here, let's see if I can get a better view of it. There we go. So I cut away this, all in here. But I still have this piece here and this piece up in here to take care of. So let's see. I will do, let's go over to the other side here. We're going to take care of this. We're going to new sketch. We're going to put a rectangle in this corner. That is 1.5 by 0.75. And we're going to extrude it. We really only need to go 0.75, I believe. Let's just double check it. Make sure that we cut away everything we wanted to cut away. That looks correct. All right, and we can always jump back and let's just take a look, make sure we're doing the right thing. Yep, that's going to be this section right in here. I think we're good. Alright, I'm going to accept that. Alright, now you gotta look at it carefully and decide what we need to get rid of. I think, if you look at it, we got to get rid of this up in here. In fact, here we'll look at the top view of it a little bit. And so we want to get rid of all in here. So let's look at the top of our shape, this part, and we're going to cut away let's just make sure. Yep, we're going to cut away all of this. This is going to be 1.5 by 1.5, I believe. Finish sketch, and then we're just going to extrude this down 0.75, just like we see there, and that should do it. There's that side. Let's see if that looks like what we're after. That looks like that. Okay. Make it green. And save it, and we're good.